Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, African Stories Hub. The home of African folktales and timeless wisdom. Today's story is one of my favorites. Yeah. Have you ever wondered why the tortoise's shell is cracked? Well, listen closely. I'm gonna tell you. Long ago, in the land of the animals, the tortoise was known for his cunning and trickery. One dry season, there was great famine in the land. The tortoise grew thin and hungry. One day, he overheard the birds talking about a great feast in the sky, organized by the gods themselves. The tortoise begged the birds, "Please, my friends, take me with you." At first, they refused, but after much pleading, each bird gave him one feather until he had enough to make wings. Before they flew, the tortoise said, "My people, let us choose a new name for this journey. For when we get there, only those whose names are called will eat." The birds agreed. Each one picked a fancy name. But the tortoise, being that cunning tortoise we all know, with a sly smile, chose the name All of You. When they arrived in the sky, the feast was magnificent. Pots of soup, roasted yam, bowls of palm wine, everything you could imagine. The host announced, "All of this food belongs to all of you." The tortoise quickly stood up. "You see, that is my name, all of you. Therefore, this feast belongs to me." He ate and ate until his belly was round, while the poor birds got nothing. The birds were furious. After the feast, they each took back their feathers, leaving the tortoise stranded in the sky. He begged them to send words to his wife. "Tell her to spread out soft things on the ground so that I may land safely." But the birds, still bitter and angry, tricked her. They told her to spread out only hard objects. When the tortoise jumped down, he crashed. He landed upon rocks, and his smooth shell broke into many pieces. His wife gathered the pieces and glued them back together. And from that day, the tortoise's shell has never been smooth again. And this is the story of the tortoise and the birds. The lesson is very simple. Greed and trickery may bring you gain for a moment, but in the end, they lead to